Hey, this is the one and only storyteller. We're back, back to you. As you can tell, the engine looks fine. The engine is fine, but for some reason, about 20 minutes into the break-in, it started heating up. It didn't overheat. I didn't let it get that far, but it did heat up way past the middle, and it didn't get close to the red, but I don't know what happened there. So I shut it down, let it cool off, and by the looks of things, it probably I filled it up, of course, knowing that the there's some air pockets here and there, and so I just kind of took that into consideration. So we're just gonna call it for tonight, and wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's little boy's birthday, so we're just gonna call it and start on it again tomorrow about 10-11 o'clock, and see how it goes. Runs fine, runs great. I want to probably think it vapor locked. More than likely, that's what happened. And it's got a brand new thermostat, water pump. Every bit of it's brand new, so I can't really see one of those being a problem, but I can see vapor lock being a problem. I did leave the radiator cap off, or overflow tank cap off, till it cycled through the first time to let the air out, filled it back up, and put the cap back on, which I thought that would be enough, but evidently maybe not. Who knows? We'll try it again tomorrow. No harm, no foul. Just have to get back at it in the morning. I would restart it now, but if it in a seasoned engine, I probably would restart it and try it again. But it's bringing a brand new engine. I had rather not to do that. So we'll just try it again in the morning. Thanks for stopping by. And hit the like button, subscribe button, ring the bell, leave a message, positive, I hope. If it happens to be negative, just leave a positive comment last. Thanks, y'all. Bye.